Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today another video about the TT. It's a while ago and we have done some modifications, optical stuff, so now we finally start to work on the outside a little bit. For right now I installed a spoiler lap in the front, like a splitter, and I also installed a wing at the back, like a big rear wing, to make it more drift car like. And oh yeah, we got the tag also. I put a little video in here when I got the tag. Today we have a big major change to our Audi TT, the drift car. Because today it's getting its own plates. I waited a long time for that moment. So the new plate for the car is Drift TT. How about that? That's pretty cool. That's pretty awesome. Alright, let's put it on and then we go and drift a little bit around. Alright, let's see how it looks. And then another thing what we're still gonna do is fender flares. I got the fender flares over there. They're not over there. No, they're in the shop. Well, I got the fender flares. I have to put the fender flares on to clear for the wheels, because I got a new set of front wheels coming in soon. Not yet, but I mounted them already and I've seen them, but I need to have a little bit more space, so I have to cut the fender and put the fender flares on in the front at least, because we're going more outside, so I have more clearance with the steering angle. But let's take a look what we got so far. So this is the front splitter installed. That's how that looks. Pretty nice, I like it. More modification for the bumper is also coming. This is the rear wing and stuff. That's how that looks. With the Drift TT tag, I love it. Oh, yeah, quite a big spoiler, not going all the way to the side, there's still some space. It's big, but not too big. This one is 57 inches, I think. Anyway, so that's the spoiler. I also put some lights inside. Finally fixed the situation with the grill, so I replaced everything with the mesh. Still poking out here the radiator, but well, that's the best we can do for right now. So I also got this in here, fitted for the new wheels. That are the new wheels for the front. And the bag I don't need it because it's flush. So on the back it stays like that for right now. But yeah, I want to see the lightning right now. Let me open the trunk. Yeah, that's how it looks in the trunk. I like these lights, it's pretty cool. That looks really cool actually, I like it. So that's basically how it looks. Like on the camera it's a little bit more bright, but in real it's like just extremely green, dark green, not so bright. But yeah, I like it. Alright, that's pretty much it for the video for today. And in the next video, some more extreme changes to the outside are coming. Alright buddies, see you later.
Okay.